Hey everyone, welcome to Net Nimble. In this tutorial, I'll show you how to clear Instagram cache on Android to free up storage space. Let's get started. The process is simpler on Android. Firstly, you can directly long press on Instagram application and then tap on the App Info icon represented by I inside a circle. You will land on the Instagram info page, then tap Clear Data at the bottom right, then tap Clear Cache. After that, tap on OK to confirm. Secondly, you can open your phone's Settings app, find and tap on Apps or Application Manager, scroll down and select the Instagram app, tap on Clear Data at the bottom right, then tap Clear Cache. Then tap on OK to confirm. This directly clears Instagram's cached data without uninstalling the app. You won't need to log in again since the app stays installed. And that's how you clear Instagram cache on Android. If this tutorial helped, like and subscribe to Net Nimble for more Instagram tips and phone optimization tutorials. Thanks for watching.